Hey guys, this is a new hack, kind of like a trending hairstyle done with the Brazilian wool. And this is actually my first time of using this particular brand of wool. Like I'm used to the old brand, so I'm just seeing this for the first time, and I'll be working with this for the first time to achieve this look. So all I'm going to do now is just to get a tripod stand, and then I'll measure this to the length that I'll be working with. Like if you don't have a tripod stand to do this, I'll be showing you a different way that you can use to measure the length of your wool, which is your feet. This is like the old way we using measuring our wool back then when we want to make our hair. So and then I'll go ahead to cut this, and this is what the length of the hair is looking like that I'll be working with. In total I made use of 3 wool, which cost 200 per wool, and it's less than $1. So this is a very um simple hairstyle, very classy, giving you rich aunties vibe, and then off you go, less than $1. So I'm going in with my crochet hook, and I made 2 different lengths. Here's the short length for the front hair, and this is the longer length for the back. And you all already braided my hair for this hairstyle, so these 2 different braids in front, I'm not going to crochet on any of them because this is what I'll be using to cover the back of the hair. And then I'll be taking this wool little at a time. I'll put my crochet hook through my hair like so, and then I'll be picking this hair. I'll give this a double knot. Just like the double knotting method when you're ventilating your lace frontal or lace closures. Yeah, so I'll just make sure to secure it properly, just so whenever I'm combing the hair, not going to the brush is not going to take it off. So the knot is very simple and not too bulky. Okay, this is me just taking out time to say thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in, and then for believing in this channel. For one reason or the other, I've not been really consistent in uploading videos. Like if you know me personally, you know that a lot has been going on, and for the fact that I don't do live updates on my channel and all of that, so most of you might not have idea of all that has been going on and all of that. So which is the reason why we've not been that consistent in putting out content out there. But I just want you guys to to pardon me. And then to those that are just watching me for the first time, my name is Rox-T Styles, and here we make beauty tips from ventilating lace frontals and closures, revamping of wigs, maintaining our natural hairs and all of that. So you guys are welcome to stay. I have lots and lots of videos to share with you guys, so please go nowhere and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to. Do well to like this video as well, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Okay, all I'm doing now basically it's just filling out all of the spaces that are left from the back to the front, and I made sure not to put like a large amount of inserting a large amount of the wool to my scalp, just so it looks so natural. And guys, this wool is not heavy at all. It's so light and very natural. So I'll just go ahead to lose my hair in front so I can cover the back of the wool with it. Just like I said earlier, I achieved this hairstyle with just 3 packs of wool. And now in front, I'm going to give this a C part, give this curve in front like a C part. Then I'll go ahead to style this hair. Firstly, I'll be going in with Leodale. I just like this because of its fragrance. This is not a necessary, or rather a must use item. I'm just using this because of the shine it's going to give to my hair. And then I'll be going in with my olive oil mousse. All of these are not important. As long as you just make use of your heat protectant, you're good to go. But I just choose to use all of this just because just because my hair is natural. Okay, and it's not that soft, so I'm trying to protect my hair from whatever that is going to make it burn also. So I made use of my hair wax and then the heat protectant, yeah. And then I'm going in with my stretcher as well to stretch my hair so it lays down flat for this look that we're going for. Lastly, I'm going in with my shine and jam gel. You can make use of your eco styling gel to achieve this. And the name of the heat protectant I made use of is the argan oil heat protectant. The rest of this video is self-explanatory. I hope you just watch and enjoy the video, and do well to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more content. And while you're subscribing to the channel, by the side, do hit the bell notification just so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next one.